check it out, man. A friend of mine, shit, I thought he was like dissing my ass, shit. He gave me the boot, man. I'm serious. He gave my ass the boot, man. Check it out. Oh, that shit. But check it out. It's got like a liquid in there, man. Let me see what it is, hell. Hang on, man. I gotta prepare for this shit. Damn, that shit's good, hell. Man, I ain't never drank out of a boot before, but that shit's good, hell. I wonder where he got it, hell. Shit, I can't see that close, man. I'm getting orders. Hey, but look, the reason I wanted to talk to your asses is because of Kinfolk, man. I want to talk about Kitty Garcia Johnson. She's been dissing Texas, man. The 512 area, 281 area. She don't give a shit. She been dissing everything in Texas, man. She's talking about the 2018 blizzard. Hey, man, she's making like nothing out of it, man. It's like, hey, you know we're not used to that shit, man. We're not used to having a freezer for the outdoors. Hell, damn, hang on, let me take a sip real quick. But check it out, man. I don't know where Kitty's getting off on that. She's laughing her ass off. She's talking about all that shit because she lives in Kansas and all that. And, you know, they got to go like 0 degrees and shit. But she ain't got to worry about the humidity. See, that's what she don't understand, man. We got humidity. And when that shit gets colder, humidity's even colder, hell. But look, here's the difference, man. In Kansas, if your ass sneezes, it produces like a 20-mile-an-hour wind. Damn, shit. Oh, wait, hang on. But look, she's my kinfolk kind of thing, you know what I mean? Because she married my uncle or whatever. Shit, I don't know. I don't ever know what the branches go to, man. All I know is she's kinfolk. But I just want to say, hey, Kitty, why you dissing us, man? What the hell? I know she's laughing her ass off, but that's okay, man. Paco's about to do a gumbo. Damn! Well, anyways, man, y'all take it easy, shit. Paco's gotta chill.